Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Again, we are going to discuss today about research methodology. Today we are going to talk about in this video about research methodology versus research method. What are the difference, why these two are different and how these two are different we are going to see in the today's video. Okay, I am Pallavi, Assistant Professor of Management, and I'll be discussing research methodology versus research in today's session. So let us start the discussion. So what do you understand by research method, okay, and research methodology? Okay, broadly, this is research methodology. This is your research method. Okay, so research methodology is a broader sense, and research method, which is a part of research methodology. So we have studied research, these various research designs, research techniques, statistical tools which we can use, or the collection of data, how we can do. Okay. So these we were discussing in our previous videos. But now we are going to discuss about what is the meaning and definition of research method and what is the meaning and definition of research methodology and how they are different from each other. Okay, research method is a method where a researcher, undertake for the research purposes. Okay, there is a topic or a problem which is under study. Okay, for that problem under study, researcher will want to adopt a method to solve that particular problem or to come to a conclusion about the given study and given area under study. Okay, the techniques and procedure what we use, okay, the techniques and procedure, say for example data collection technique or report writing procedure which we use to use in our research is called as research method. Okay, it might be a quantitative method or qualitative method, or it is it is like an interview questionnaire what we are using, or observation method we are using, probability sampling we are using, non-probability sampling if you are using, what kind of test we are conducting, whether it is Z test, T test, ANOVA. These all comprises of research method. So broader sense, research method is something what kind of tools and techniques we are using or a process we are using in our research is called as research method. But research methodology is more than research method. Okay, research methodology comprises of research methods. Okay, it is a scientific study. Okay, it is a study of methods, research methods. Okay, methodology, study of methods, what tools and techniques you are using, that is called as methods. The study of tools and techniques you are using, whether it is a proper or not proper, whether it is applicable or not applicable, if you are doing it in a broader way to get the results. Okay, so that is called as research methodology. Okay, so it is a science of learning how research should be performed systematically. Once you select the method, once you select your sampling method, once you select your data collection method, once you selected your research report pattern, then your those things, whether they are you're performing it systematically or not, that will be monitored by research methodology. That's why we say that research methodology is a broader sense than the research methods. Okay, so this is about the methods which we have applied. It takes the analysis of research methods we have applied. Okay, by using the research methods, we are going to do the analysis of our information or data. Now, this research methodology will tell us to analyze the methods which we have applied for our research. Okay, that is how it is going to be. Whether it is the conclusions drawn, what findings and suggestions you are getting, or what kind of decisions we have arrived from our research, whether it is valid or reliable or credible to go further, that will be tested by research methodology or directed towards that is done by research methodology. Okay, so here I have given the difference between research method and research methodology. Okay, meaning we have understood just now, research method implies that the methods employed by the researcher to conduct the research. These are the only methods employed. Okay, but methodology is way to efficiently solving the research problem. What is research method or what is research methodology? Okay, it is a behavior and instrument used in the selection and construction of research technique, whatever the technique we are using. So to use that technique, we have to, construct or select particular aspects. That is done by research method. But research methodology is a science of understanding. It shows that how research is performed. Okay, the research is performed by using these methods. Okay, these techniques. Research method encompasses, it comprises of experiment, test, survey, etc. But research methodology is a study of different techniques. Why he has or she researcher is using only particular technique or a particular method of doing research? Why can't they use the other method or other technique? So it will test that. Research methodology will give us the different angle of doing different research differently. So it studies the different techniques which can be utilized to perform our research. Okay. Then research method comprises of investigation techniques, but it is the complete strategy of your research. Okay. It might includes your sampling technique, data collection technique, but it is about from your problem to the solution, which includes objective, hypothesis, your literature survey, analysis, interpretation, everything. Okay. Then objective is to discover the solution to the problem in research method, but in research methodology, objective is to apply the correct procedure to come to a conclusion. When you apply the correct procedure, then only the solution to a problem is considered as the right answer to your research. Okay, so this is about research methodology and research methods. Okay, so methodology is wider than the method. Okay, research methodology is wider than the research methods. Okay, this research method is a part of research methodology, right? Then research to understand the research problem thoroughly, researchers should use the research methodology along with the methods. Okay, the researcher should not confine himself only to the methods. He should go beyond methods and understand the exact procedure of research methodology. Okay. So research method is a techniques and tools used for the research, but research methodology is a foundation to do your research. Okay, so this is about research methodology versus research method versus research methodology. I hope you all understood my discussion. Thank you for watching. Keep watching my channel for more updates.